Guys, I'm over here in the screen print shop setting up some race car shirts for Goat Racing. I believe they're based out of California. It looks like it's a kart team. It's 4 colors. Just trying to get everything lined up right now, so let's keep an eye and see what's going on.
We make the streams louder.
Guys, I want to jump in here for a second. If there's anything you guys want to see in the vlog, leave a comment below. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, all that good stuff. And let's check out the rest of the vlog.
Working on an installation for Teamworks Construction, or Teamwork, sorry. Doing some truck lettering, doing it on the door, some information on the sides, stuff on the back. Just kind of decking it out a little bit, making sure you can see his logo. It's different with the green and silver. On a dark gray, it's going to really make it pop. That green is really going to stand out. This logo, as you can see, the way the decal goes is it goes like this. Well, you got this little shape that's right here that sits above where this line is. So then what we do is you still do the hinge method. The only difference is instead of continuing your tape and try to work it that way, you're going to kink do it that way. What you do here is you actually separate it to its own piece. Just put a piece of tape up there. Now what you're going to do is you'll actually cut it and make its own separate piece, and then you work with everything else.
I am working on a bunch of trailer graphics for Centennial Public School. They wanted to see a couple different designs, so I'm working on that. They did send 2 different logos, so one's a horseshoe and one's an actual horse, so I'm trying to do one with the horse and then one with the horseshoe and see kind of which one they want to go with.
I am working on a decal for Gretna Dragons Elementary School in Gretna, Nebraska. Asked for something fun, got a couple designs working on, give them a variety of options and narrow it down from there.